If you're designing smartphones or high-end devices, single-sided PCBs are not for you. But for simple circuits, they are the most practical, affordable, and reliable choice. Single-sided PCBs have only one copper layer. With simple structure, low cost, fast production, and high reliability, they are widely used in power supplies, remote controls, LED lighting, home appliances, automotive simple controls, DIY and education projects. Although traces cannot cross, smart layout and jumpers make it work for most common products. Today's single-sided PCBs also support SMT, enabling automated mass production. With 15 years of experience, Kaboer manufactures single-sided, double-sided, multi-layer, flexible, and HDI PCBs. We provide design review, rapid prototyping, and strict quality control to help you build stable, low-cost single-sided PCBs.